Juggerbot 3.0 tied in the gauntlet, but an inexpensive piece of netting and an incredible run in the labyrinth showed Ultraviolence the door. Both of these bots have proven they're top competitors, but there's only one champion, and we're about to fight. We call this the fight to the finish, and here's why. Two robots enter this platform high above the arena floor. When they get the signal, they will battle it out for 1 minute. After that, the safety gates go away, leaving the bots with just what they brought in. One of the bots will fly off the side and into the spikes. I love that. And the other one will just be, well, collecting Robotica gold. And that's the fight to the finish. The season of robotic chills and thrills all comes down to this one moment. Our final two contestants are now in the skybox. There's Todd Mendenhall, who's been a master of lopsided victories, and here comes Panzer Mark III. No one has yet found an answer for that plow, and it once again stands ready for revenge. And there's veteran Mike Morrow, flanked by his Juggerbot teammates, and here comes Juggerbot 3.0. From brute force to clever innovation, he's handled everything Robotica has thrown at him. This is truly the cream of the crop in the world of robotics, and both men are eager to claim their prize as Robotica champion. The next 60 seconds will decide. Let's see what happens.
Robots ready.
Here we go, and both hard right at each other. Juggerbot spins free, Panzer off the rail. They line up, Juggerbot dodges the blow from Panzer's plow, and now he's in the corner. Panzer again off the rail. And Panzer lifts Juggerbot off the wall. Juggerbot bounces free, spins in the corner, again a near miss. Side to side, neither wedge gaining an advantage. They squeal tires across the middle of the platform. Now a head-to-head clash, and Panzer under Juggerbot and locks it over the rail. Oh, he cut air as he went flying into the spikes. Juggerbot is favorite, and Todd Mendenhall is the new Robotica champion. Yes, he is stunned. He doesn't know what to say, but his opponents do. They give him a hearty congratulations. He earned himself an amazing victory over a worthy competitor, and Todd Mendenhall is the man of the hour and the dean of the season.
It's the birthday! And Todd Mendenhall, congratulations, you just won the finals. Okay, what is going through your mind? How do you feel?
As surprised as hell.
What happened out there?
Back and forth. Man, they had a lot of power. I was on the grate and I couldn't get any traction. They got on the grate, they couldn't get any traction, and I started them going, and that was it.
Congratulations, you are the new Robotica champion.
This contest started out very evenly matched. Both wedges fought for the lower position, but the advantage soon became apparent as Panzer got underneath Juggerbot. And in one fateful moment, when Juggerbot bounced on top of Panzer's plow while Panzer had momentum, the outcome was sealed. It's been an incredible competition, a fitting end to an amazing season. We've seen it all, the highs, the lows, and everything in between. Thank you to all of our builders. It's been a privilege to watch your amazing creations go head-to-head this season, and thanks to you for sharing them all with us. For Tandy Memmi, Dan Dangnick, and myself, Ahmed Zappa, this is Robotica, signing off. Good night.